So just going to install the RailBlaza mount onto the new kayak so I can mount the camera booms. Also mount the RailBlaza rod holder with it. So we're basically just going to put a couple of mounts around the kayak. I'll just quickly show you how we're going to do that. So we just found the location on the kayak where we want to put these mounts. So we just position in place. First we're going to drill one hole. So when we put the bolt to the hole, it's actually a tight fit, so what's going to happen is it's actually going to cut a thread in there and help seal the hole up. Yep, so that's good. So you don't want to overly tighten it because then you'll just rip the hole bigger and it could possibly leak. Okay. Let's go in further.
Oh, this is my first big one.